All right, so what are we doing today? Today we are we're filling up my tire. We're gonna go head over to Josh's house. We're gonna hang out with him, see what he's up to. He got a new spot. We're gonna check it out. And today we're gonna check out a new vlogging camera. Well, a new one for me. See that? That's gonna be me one day. You see that Tesla back there? It's pretty nice. All right, it's a cold day, but we're gonna do some vlogging. We're gonna look at some cameras, and we're gonna go get something to eat probably. All right, guys, I made it to Josh's house. This is his spot, y'all. Like, he's gonna give me this Metabones adapter. I didn't tell you guys, I am filming on the Sony a6300, and today I'm trying to see what it's like vlogging on a Sony a60 whatever 100. This is the a6300, just like what it looks like, everything that I would need to actually make it possible. Right now we're shooting on the kit lens. Josh has the Metabones adapter for the EF to E mount. So I'm gonna try this with the Canon 16 to 35 millimeter lens that I have. So it's a pretty dope lens. I just want to see what it looks like because I've never shot with anything other than this kit lens on here. How does it look? I can't even see myself.
It looks alright.
It looks alright. What's wrong with it, man? See, this is the problem.
You on spot focus?
Yeah.
Point focus?
Yeah,
that's good.
So you would have the same problems with this if you had the a6400 and you had the flip up screen with the setup that I have right now, and I'll show you that setup. But we're gonna put the Metabones adapter on this and put the 16 to 35 millimeter on there and see what it looks like. Autofocus work on this one?
It should. It's not gonna work that good though, I don't think. Probably not with that lens.
It's trying to. It's trying.
It's like with that adapter, you gotta do like a calibration and then it starts working.
Yeah, it's very slow. But this is what vlogging with the a6300 60 to 35 millimeter lens on it. I think this is doable though.
No.
This is doable.
No.
This is the limit. He has all this camera gear here and he can't figure out like what to do with it, like and how to organize it. So we're gonna figure out a way to organize it. He actually has a nice closet over there, so we need to figure that out. Let's talk about that before we leave. And it's like
this is my arm.
This is the arm, and this is the arm's length. I feel like it's too tight. This is the 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens. We were trying to see if there's a difference in the focal length based on having the Metabones adapter. So that's an arm's length. Put your arm out with me. It's wider.
It's wider?
Yeah.
That's weird.
All right, so I decided to switch it up on you guys. I am now shooting on the Sony RX100 version 4, and I'm gonna vlog the rest of today with that. This is Sony's probably best vlogging camera, I feel like, because it has a compact size and it has a flip up screen and it has a decent onboard audio. So we are filming with that, the onboard audio and the RX100. Josh is on his way over here so that we can finish up his closet, his little kind of divider for his closet. But before he gets here, I'm gonna make some coffee. I know, we made some loads, about to pick up some stuff, and Josh is...
Pick up tickets and no one ever picked it.
What are we calling this? What is this?
Gear closet.
Gear closet. All right, so we're gonna buy some furring strips for his, what do we call it again?
Gear closet.
Gear closet 1.0. 8, mad cheap. A lot of these are curved, you see that? We go all the way in the back and they straight. These right here are the ones you want right here, back here. Alright, so we got the wood. Figured out that we want to go to Walmart to get the rest of the materials that we need. We just needed this and some plywood, which we already have. And then we need some spray adhesive and then a little bit of foam or some fabric. So he's going to figure out what he wants. So you can get an idea of how much this costs. $4.04. Can't beat it. Can't beat it with a stick. So we made it to Walmart and Josh just found some fabric that he likes. I like this color fabric, man. That's It's really nice right there.
How many feet are in the yard?
How many feet are in the yard? You asked the wrong person. 36
How many feet are in the
inches.
yard?
This is 1.
3 feet. That's it.
Alright guys, so we were able to do some vlogging with the Sony camera. So we used the Sony A6300 and we also used the Sony RX100 version 4 or Mark IV. And I like both cameras. I feel like the Mark IV is definitely a more compact camera. Also allows you to see what's on the screen, see what you're vlogging. So we'll do some more videos like this, maybe just some day in the life types of videos. I also just like a lot of the features that come on the Sony RX100, like the high frame rate mode. Being able to shoot 120 frames per second is pretty cool as well in such a small compact form factor. Also, Josh was able to finish his project, so you can go check that out in the description box below. I have a link there for you to go check his channel out. Go subscribe to him. He's got some pretty cool content coming to you guys. So let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. This was just a fun little vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.